Hey everyone, my name is Yasir. Today I will show you how I built an AI-powered personalized learning system using Django and Google Gemini. You will learn how the system adapts to each student, generates AI-based tests, collects feedback, and show performance dashboard, all step by step. So here is a README file. This project was created for Xaver Hackathon, aiming to make learning more dynamic. So the problem was traditional courses often fail to engage students effectively because of the content is generic and not tailored to specific needs or interests. Our system solves that by using AI to create personalized tests, batch allocation, and feedback-based recommendation. When you comes for key features of this, we have like user login and profiles, AI-powered quizzes, batch allocation by interest, and feedback and dashboard systems. So here if you look the architecture of Django, so the Django MTV pattern like model template view, and it uses REST APIs with JWT authentication. Has like these are in Django project, this accounts, batch allocation, feedback, profiles, this everything called as apps. So if I show the data flow of this, when here data flow will be like this. Once user login, the profile asks few information. According to the information, he will be allotted to specific batch, and the content is being generated by AI, and also the test being generated by AI, and he also have feedback on the test he has given. Also, he can view his dashboard where he can see the previous marks and his ranking through charts and by bar graphs, everything. And he can also do visualization. Uh, Also, he'll get a personalized reports too. So if you don't know how to create Django project, the main step was like to run this Django admin start project core, and once select CD core, and also you can set up virtual environment to install all dependencies you need and create Django apps as I told previously. These accounts, profiles, batch allocation, this everything called as apps in Django project. So you can do like run this Python manage.py start app accounts everything, and you just need to go here core settings.py. Here you can see like install apps everything. As I mentioned previously, like here we use REST framework for authentication. So we can see different kinds of also here urls.py, here where the main parsing we can see main parsing. For instance, uh, in accounts templates we have login and sign up page. Once we have login, the parsing will goes to home page, profile page where we have to update everything. Similarly, as Django inbuilt have SQLite 3, as we know, everyone know. So if you want to run everything into your system, you just do follow the steps, and also at last like run this command python manage.py make migration, and also migrate, and you can run the server by python manage.py run server. Everything will set up in your PC too. So I'll show you the demo part, the live working of the project. So here where the main everything will run, so we should give a command like python manage.py, sorry, manage.py run server. I think I have made mistake. So here it will run the server in locally. Just give a couple of seconds. Here our Django is live, so we can follow this link. So this is the main login page where user need to give his login credentials. If the user is new to this app, then he can just sign up here, and we have everything authentication here. Like we can't give random names like this. For instance, if I give password like randomly, it don't accept because it have minimum length of password. So before sign up, I'll just log in into my previous account. Here you can view your password too. So this is my home page where you can see everything. If you click get started here, you already being alerted to data engineering batch. So I will explain how you've been allocated to a batch. Here you can choose any course. I already allocated to data engineering batch. So here are my topics. If I choose this like SQL basics, the content is being generated by Gemini. Like I'll show you the code. So here you can see here where the using our Gemini API key, you can create everything content like this as it is predefined. Oh, I'll show you the output. Just give a couple of seconds. It's being loading. Apart from this, you can see like a different batch course visualize. So this is my previous test I have given. It shows my marks as you can see here, and also here you can see ranking. So in data engineering batch, like who got great score, uh, the Patan he got 7. So others he got, but he got in 2 attempts, he got in 1 attempt. So the ranking will be he's in top 1. Here we can see we'll write one random test. We just need to wait couple of seconds because the content is being generated by Google Gemini, so it takes few seconds to generate. So see here you can see this content is being generated by Gemini. Here we can read everything. After finishing of reading, we have to take topic test. So here also topic, when we click on topic test, the content everything is being generated by Gemini. So it will give couple of questions and options where a user have to write a test, like it's type of MCQ. Based on that, if you perform well in that MCQ, then you will get one report, like how much you got. Like I'll show you live demo 1 second. So here my test is being started. So if I choose something like something randomly, I'll choose something B A C C C B, anything random yourish. Just but you have to study and write. But currently I'm choosing random options. After submit test, it will calculate my correct answers, my wrong answers, and give my scorecard. See, I have scored 7 out of 10. If I see my score distribution, my correct answers is like, and I gave one more test, I got 7. Here also I got one more test, I got 7 in this. So incorrect topics, I know ETL, this is my topic. If I see what are my incorrect answer, then I will get here or see we get different questions, and we can also see it will recommend few courses to study. based on my performance. Also, I can get one report how I perform this. This report is also like being generated by Gemini, so it may take one few seconds. Before that, I'll show you how that dashboard is updated. Before I used to have one. Now we got two scores like big data and ETL process. And here like we can see my score remains constant. And here I can see like number of attempts. And if I see here, I got 7 in both in one attempt. So here you can see like I got personalized report. It is completely like topic wise analysis and the scorecard, how many correct, incorrect. So this is what the main app looks like. So here you can give one feedback, like if I give excellent, poor, and average, everything good. You can submit feedback here, and your feedback is being submitted. So you can also see the rankings as I mentioned before. So if you are a new user, how the process will be like, let me explain that. So you should do sign up, any name. Let me give one user, create one password. I have created one password. So it says password does not match. Let me remove this and let me create one more. So my account is created successfully. Let me log into your credentials. So I have created one user. So if I click this, even it won't work. You can see registry batch until you log in, it won't work. So I have sign up and log in. So if I click on get started, now I need to update my profile. Based on this profile, I've been divided into 3 batches. Like one is data engineering batch, one will be like a Java batch, one will be like .NET batch. So let me give one, fill your details, turn your scene and mail random something. And you can give like degree, BTech, specialization, anything as you wish. And phone number, give your LinkedIn profile as well and GitHub profile. And you can choose any course. Like previously I chose Python. Let me choose Java here. And you can add courses. Like for instance, you can add this course and tell which platform, like Coursera, like certificate name, everything. And also you can add internship details, company name, everything. When you update on profile, now see your profile is being updated. And also when you click on this badge, you've been allocated to Java batch. Based on your profile, you've been allocated to Java batch. So in course, you can see the content, everything Java basic. Oops. Rather than if you want to take topic wise test, you can take topic wise test, or you can take overall topic test. Like here you can see random test. It will be created random test on overall Java batch. So you can see batch size. So here are some constraint, like you can have batch size to 25 to 30. So when I click on random test, it will create random like overall Java content. And you can see like here any other visualization. So as I didn't give any score yet, I didn't give any test yet, so it will be like 0 default. And the ranking, you can see like other batches where students were topper. If I write any test, then my ranking will be updated as. So this is same process like previous. It will take a couple of seconds to generate content. So I hope you understood everything. So if you have like if you want to run this project in your PC or your then just run this command git clone my GitHub repository and pip install all requirements.txt, and you can run this like this on your local PC, and you can see everything. So I forgot to mention like I can also view. If I click admin, I can log in into my Django admin. So this is my, you can see admin. You have to create password for this, username and password for this. So see here you can see my users, the number of users I have, and batches. I can see batches, .NET batch, Java batch, and everything that we can see here. Number of candidates, number of like max candidates count, and also we can see certification, like people who upload their course certificates, everything you can see here. And that's it. Uh, I'll provide the GitHub repository link in the description. If you want to run this in your local server, local PC, just follow these commands and you can run this project. This is a good project, a good Django project. I hope it may use, like you can do this project as your minor project or any project if you're interested to. You just follow through install, like you can see the code. Code is everything easy. You will able to understand what's happening inside the code. Okay, thank you.